I'm going to show here how to use 3M intake system aerosol adapter kit. This part number is 08960. When you unbox, basically you will see two pieces over here. One is a major kit, which is an adapter kit. If you look at it, has a brass adapter with a long plastic hose. At the end of the hose you see this S shape one. The second part, we got this as a can holder. It just you need to get insert the can into this adapter and then hang into the hood. This brass adapter has two things: can holder, which comes like that. Second part is a tip which goes into this particular tip, like the fuel passes through this tip actually. So this is like this, and then see strong it is holding. So push this clip, disconnect, and then we're going to attach this side to the can for the fuel intake cleaner. And once we insert this to the throttle plate, then we're going to insert this clip and then adapter together like this. Then you hear that click noise. For throttle cleaning and in fuel injector cleaning, basically you need three of these 3M products. The first product is 08958, which called Formula Intake System Cleaner Aerosol, and then this is the one which is the step 1. All the instructions are here in the reverse, so you guys need to put the can up and down to read the instructions before starting. This is the step 1 process. And then second one is throttle plate cleaner. You need to use the entire can, the part number 08182. And third one is fuel tank system cleaner. It is a tank additive, and then it fits into the full tank of gasoline for any kind of car, the part number 08813. When we start the step 1, as I mentioned earlier, you need to take this part out from the adapter by pressing this clip. Take this out. In the step 1, you need to attach it to the can. So it does not need any wrench or anything, just you hand tied it, just keep it like this, and then you attach this plastic clip up and down like this. You attach the clip. It's going to be like this when on the hood when you start the process. Couple of updates in this product. There's a leak coming out of this. I'm not sure whether it is leaking in the middle or from the top, but there is a leak. There is a review about this product, and then once the usage is complete, you will see the fuel still left in between. To maintain this for long term, to keep it clean, what I did is I used the throttle plate cleaner. I sprayed in this hose, and then which I drained through this one, which got cleared out mostly. But safety tip, this particular adapter has a leak, so make sure when that cleaner running, you stay with a rag and then just wipe whenever you see leakage through from here or here, and then that will prevent any fire hazard or any kind of a danger. That is the one observation I have. I hope this will help.